Southwest Gar Hills Ampati marked India's 78th Independence Day with a flag hoisting ceremony attended by Minister of Education Rakame Sangma and Border Area Development Office featuring a Rashtra salute. In Tura, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong was the chief guest at Macha Colgrey LP School playground, where he hoisted the tricolour. Tinsong addressed the crowd, highlighting the government's assurance of 10 welfare guarantees aimed at equitable prosperity. He also noted that law and order in the state has been largely peaceful throughout the year.
Prosperity for the state. We have also assured 10 welfare guarantees to the citizens so that prosperity is equitably distributed among all Meghalaya. Law and order situation in the state was by and large peaceful and throughout the year.